To learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is types of orders. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject communication and also discuss various topics related to it like concept of communication, barriers of communication, process of communication, body languages and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the topic types of orders. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is types of orders. So the commercial landscape primarily utilizes two main types of orders. Each type of order is strategically designed for distinct transactional scenarios and operational efficiencies. So types of order have different purposes and their importance also. So there are basically two types of order, which are order letter and order form. So we discuss each of the point one by one detail. So first one is order letter. An order letter uh, constitute a formal written document distinguished by its capacity to provide an extensive and often highly customized description of specific requirements. This makes it an ideal choice for complex, unique, or large scale procurements where detailed specifications and bespoke terms are paramount. So, order letter is a formal written document distinguished by the capacity to provide the extensive and offer customized description of specific requirements. A formal written communication offering highly detailed and customized descriptions, specific requirements for unique situation and complex needs. A pre-printed standardized document designed for maximum simplicity and rapid processing efficiency in high volume environments. So, order letter is very highly formal document required for written for specific purposes. Now coming to the order form, in contrast, an order form is a pre-printed standardized document engineered for maximum simplicity and efficiency. It is typically employed for routine, repetitive, or high volume transactions, frequently integrated into modern online ordering system to streamline the entire procurement process and enhance user experience through automation and rapid data entry. So order form is a pre-printed standardized document for with simplicity and efficiency. Best suited for complex and large orders that demand specific terms, extensive contractual documentation, and personalized attention to detail. It provides significant flexibility for unique situations, allowing for comprehensive contractual clarity and bespoke arrangements ensuring precise fulfillment. So, it is a flexible document used for different types of situations. Highly efficient for routine or high volume transactions due to its structure, easy to fill format, minimizing manual effort and speeding up processes. Often integrated with online ordering system, streamlining digital procurement process, enhancing user interaction for quick and seamless fulfillment. So it is basically used for high volume transactions of goods and services related system and so on. So how we can differentiate between them, now we discuss about this topic. Order letters and order forms exhibit notable differences across several key operational and strategic dimensions, influencing their optimal application in various business contexts and procurement strategies. Order letters inherently offer a higher degree of formality and unparalleled flexibility, enabling extensive customization and the inclusion of highly specific details, which makes them exceptionally well suited for intricate and bespoke orders where precision is paramount. So basically, order letter and order forms I have different differences in the applications also. However, this bespoke nature often results in reduced efficiency due to manual processing and longer lead times. Conversely, order forms are characterized by their lower formality and limited flexibility, stemming from their standardized template driven design. Despite this, they excel significantly in efficiency, particularly for simple, routine, or high volume transactions, often being digitally processed for rapid fulfillment and enhanced operational flow, making them ideal for modern commerce. So, order forms are basically characterized by lower formality and limited flexibility also. Now, there are different types of differences among them, like formality. Order letter formal, detailed, and often personalized for specific agreements and legal precision, whereas order form it is informal, standardized, and template based for quick routine use and efficiency. On the basis of complexity, order letter has ideal for complex orders, requires custom terms, extensive negotiation, and unique specifications, whereas order form best for simple, straightforward, and routine orders with predefined parameters and minimal variations. On the basis of flexibility, order letter has high allowing extensive adaptation and specific clauses for unique needs and evolving requirements, whereas order form has low due to its fixed structure and predefined fields, limiting customization and special request. On the basis of efficiency, order letter has less efficient, often involves manual drafting, review processes, and longer lead times for completion, whereas order form more efficient, designed for quick automated processing and high volume transaction optimizing speeds. So this is all about the types of orders. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So basically there are two types of orders, like order letter and order form. Order letter is a formal written communication, provide extensive, highly customized description of specific requirements, whereas order form is pre-printed standardized document engineered for maximum simplicity and efficiency. They have different types of differences also, like basis of formality, order letter is more formal, and order letter is ideal for complex orders, whereas order form is best for simple, straightforward routine work. On the basis of flexibility, order letter is highly need for unique needs, and order form is fixed structure. On the basis of efficiency, order letter has less efficient and order form is more efficient. So this is all about the classification of orders. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business communication, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We met in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.